Let's proceed to letter C, finding the change in entropy of a reaction. Same with enthalpy, we will subtract product and the reactant using the data provided in the table. So the product again is carbon dioxide and hydrogen. The product is carbon dioxide, that will be positive 213.7. Do not forget the coefficient, which is the mole of your carbon dioxide. You have 1 mole of carbon dioxide, 213.7 joules per mole times Kelvin, plus 130.6 for the hydrogen and the coefficient, which is 1. So we have 1 mole of hydrogen and the value is 130.6 joule per mole times Kelvin. Then the reactant, let's subtract. Carbon monoxide, we have 1 mole. 1 mole of carbon monoxide multiplied by 197.5 joule per mole times Kelvin, plus 1 mole of water times 188.72 joule per mole times Kelvin. So when we multiply this, the mole will be cancelled. We have 213.7 joule per Kelvin plus 130.6 joule per Kelvin minus 197.5 joule per Kelvin plus 188.72 joule per Kelvin. So let's add 213.7 plus 130.6, you will get 344.3 joule per Kelvin. Minus 197.5 plus 188.72, that will be 386.22 joule per Kelvin. And now let's subtract. 344.3 joule per Kelvin minus 386.22 joule per Kelvin. We have negative 41.92 joule per Kelvin. That is the entropy of a reaction.